Hello friend, in this tutorial we also solve a problem which is from mathematics and based on complex number. This question is asked many times in competitive exam and very easy. If you watch it till the end, then you will definitely solve this problem with very ease. So have a look on the question. In the given question we have to find the value of natural log of square root of iota. So I hope you have understand what we have to find. So let's go for the solution. If you have watched my previous tutorial, then you have learned how to write a polar form of any complex number. If you have not watched this tutorial, then no problem. The polar form of any complex number x plus iota y is written in the form of r plus cos theta plus iota sin theta, where r is the modulus of complex number and which is equal to square root of x square plus y square, and theta is the argument of the complex number which value is given by the tan inverse y by x, where y is imaginary part of the complex number and x is the real part of the complex number. This is a formula: e to the power iota theta is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta, which we use later in the solution. Now natural log of square root of iota is written in the form of ln 0 plus iota to the power square root, and here real part of this complex number is equal to 0 and imaginary part of this complex number is equal to 1. So the modulus of this complex number will be 1 from this formula, and the argument of this complex number is equal to tan inverse 1 by 0, and tan inverse 1 by 0 is equal to tan inverse infinity, and value of tan inverse infinity you know pi by 2, which is 90 degree. So here you have find the value of argument and modulus of this complex number. So the polar form of this complex number is equal to cos pi by 2 plus iota sin theta, and this expression look like the above formula where theta is equal to pi by 2. So you can simply replace it by a to the power iota theta, where theta is pi by 2. So the final expression is equal to ln e to the power iota pi by 2, and this all to the power 1 by 2, and this is now equal to ln e to the power iota into pi by 4. And friend, the natural log of a to the power something is equal to something. So our final answer is equal to iota into pi by 4. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any doubt or query related to this, then feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. So thank you for watching this tutorial.